Alright, you guys, good afternoon. It is Sunday. It is about 55. This is the dude, and right now we're driving on our way to Presque Isle. We're in Michigan, as you know, and this is all the stuff from the last snowstorm that we've had. But it's a beautiful day today. A lot of people are out walking around. This is along the lake shore. We got the huge rocks out there in the middle of the lake, Lake Superior. It's a really nice day. We're just taking a drive. Our oldest son has a birthday party later on. He's gonna do some virtual reality. And after all these trees are out of the way, you'll actually see Lake Superior here in a second. But
it's still frozen.
It's still frozen over for quite a bit. But yeah, that's all the lake out there, Lake Superior.
Looks like land.
They got roads closed because of how much snow we got. That's a lot of snow.
Oh my goodness, look at that, you guys.
But that's the actual lake out there. As you can see, it's completely frozen over. That's how much snow. Lake Superior is one of the biggest lakes. There's also Lake Huron and Lake Erie
and Lake Michigan.
And Lake Michigan. But yeah, as you can see, it's pretty far out there. It's pretty snowed over.
And in summer, this is a beautiful drive. All the trees are covered and it's just gorgeous. Up here
is going to be the Superior Dome. That's the biggest dome there is.
All made out of wood.
All made out of wood. That thing is humongous.
We'll have to do a video
inside.
of the inside, yeah. Oh, we were gonna try and take you guys to to Presque Isle, but the roads are closed because there's still too much
This is
snow.
where they pack all the snow up.
Normally that road would take you all the way down to the island.
But anyways, yeah, so that's a nice little Sunday drive for you, and like I said, click like to subscribe and thumbs up or thumbs down. It's a little bit of snow here and a little bit of snow there, and we're starting to get a little bit warmer, so you guys all have a great Sunday. Thanks. Bye.
What is that over there?